So, I cannot repay you. My dear Lord, my dear gopis, let your seva be your reward. The seva of the gopis is their reward. Because their seva is the highest. The seva sukh, that happiness they are getting in their service, that is the highest. তবে না দেখিয়ে গোপী নিজ দেহ প্রীত, সেহ তো কৃষ্ণের লাগি জানিয়ে নিশ্চিত. Even then, you see the gopis are decorating themselves. They are doing nice shringar. They are decorating their bodies, nice flowers, nice ornaments. That decoration is not because of bodily consciousness. The gopis are decorating themselves simply to give happiness to Krishna. In every action, it's completely selfless. When they are putting a bindu on their forehead, they are thinking, how will Krishna relish this? How will Krishna become happy by seeing it? When they are putting some necklace, they think, Krishna's beauty will be reflected in my necklace. Krishna will become happy. I have to dress properly. I have to give happiness to Krishna. So sometimes pure devotees, you see them externally acting, but you should understand all their activities are meant only for Krishna's happiness. I told that past time, I think before you came, before Kartik, of Gorkishore Das Babaji, somebody gave him some money. Babaji Maharaj kept the money here, and he became almost blind, Babaji Maharaj, by eating the mud of the Ganga and chanting. So after he kept the money here, every 10-15 minutes Babaji was checking the money, whether the money is there or not, So the person who gave the money, he got doubt. He says, Babaji, we offer the bhoga traditionally in Gaudiya Math style. We don't offer the bhoga of Krishna standing, Krishna sitting and eating aram se, doing achman, argyam, padyam, achmaniam and all these things. So, what else? Gorkishore Das Babaji was checking that donor thought, this Babaji is so much attached to Lakshmi. He's checking every 10-15 minutes. But when he left, he lost his faith. Babaji said, now this is the Kartik time. It's a cold time. There are some very good sadhus in Braj Mandal, in Radhakund. I want to send kambal for them. Immediately, go, take this Lakshmi and send it to Braj. For their kambal, for getting warm clothing. He was attached to that Lakshmi for Krishna Seva, for Vaishnav Seva, not for his own self. He was worrying about the Vaishnavas. So externally we cannot judge. The gopis may be decorating their bodies very nicely, but that is only for Krishna Seva. এই দেহ কইলু আমি কৃষ্ণ সমর্পণ, তান্র ধন তান্র ইহা সম্ভোগ সাধন. This body we have given it to Krishna, samarpana. मानस देह गेहो जो किछु मो और पीलू तु आपदी नंद किशोर. Gopis said that our bodies are Krishna's body, meant for Krishna's, and let him do whatever he wants. Taro dhono, we are his wealth, and we are the forms to give him enjoyment. We are meant for his enjoyment. Complete surrender to Krishna. We are his dhan, we are his treasure, we are Krishna's treasure. Dhana mora nityanando pati mora gaura chandra. Dhana mora nityanando pati mora gaura chandra. Dhana mora nityanando नरहरि विलसई मो अद्वैत आचार्य बोलो गदाधर मोर कुल. अद्वैत आचार्य बोलो गदाधर मोर कुल. प्राण मोर किशोर युग प्राण मोर युगल किशोर. प्राण मोर युगल किशोर. प्राण मोर धन मोर नित्यानंद राम. दोनों मोरा नित्यानंद राम. धन मोरा नित्यानंद राम. नरोत्तम बड़ो दुखी निताई मोरे करो सुखी. নিতাই মোরে করো সুখী. রাখো রঙ্গা চরণের পাশ. রাখো রঙ্গা চরণের পাশ. When I chant the glories of Nityananda, I come in some different bhav. I like very much. 24 hours, if somebody comes and tells me, speak something about Nityananda, I am always ready. Nityananda Mahima Varnane Hoila Avesh. चैतन्य रशेष लीला लहील अवशेष। Vrindavan Das Thakur got so much ecstatic in describing the glories of Gauranga, of Nityananda Prabhu, that he did not describe the Nilachal Leela in detail. That's why Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami wrote this Chaitanya Charitamrit. Sri Chaitanya Charitamrit ki. Any questions? Yes.
So cultivating the bhav of our Ishtadev or Ishtadevi, one has that mood, and so you can also appreciate or cultivate the mood of Nityananda Bhav. Like, how does that they correlate?
In the beginning, every jiva has to approach Nityananda. Please him. She Sambandho. Nahi. The Sambandho Gyan is given by Nityananda. And then when the jiva becomes mature and fructified by Nityananda's mercy, the Ar kabe Nityanando karuna hoibe sansar vasana mura kabe tuchho hobe. When all the material desires are finished by the mercy of Nityananda, then we can develop attraction for our Ishtadev. Means, if we are under Radhika's group, then at that stage Nityananda hands us over to Radhika or to Anang Manjari. And if we are in Sakhya Bhav, then Nityananda Prabhu himself takes charge of us. So, but Nityananda Bhajan is very important. Every jiva has to do Nityananda Bhajan. Without Nityananda, Heno Nitai Vinay Bhai Radha Krishna Paite Nai. Narottam Das Thakur, Champak Manjari, he is himself a Manjari, but he says that without Nitai you cannot get Radha Krishna. Dridakori Dhoro Nitai Rupai. Nitai Ro Karuna Habe, Braje Radha Krishna Pabe. All the Goswamis have attained Radha Krishna because of Nityananda. Raghunath Das Goswami made the Pani Hati Chidadai Utsav to please Nityananda and his associates. Then Nityananda said, you will attain Gaura Chandra and you will attain Radha Kunda Dham by the mercy of Nityananda. Jeev Goswami came here, Nityananda took him on Navdeep Dham Parikrama, then sent Jeev Goswami here. All the devotees, Rup Sanatan, all our acharyas, Krishnadas Kaviraj himself, he got the mercy of Nityananda to come to Braj Bhumi. Even Madhurya. So all the Madhurya, Rasika, Manjaris, even the Manjaris and the Sakhis, when they came in Gaur Leela, they have sought the mercy of Nityananda. So it is not that those who are in Madhurya Ras, one should not worship Nityananda. This is illusion. Without Nityananda, one cannot understand Radha Krishna.
চৈতন্য ভাগবতে বৃন্দাবন দাস ঠাকুর মহারাজ যে লেখা করেছেন, গোপীগণে যে প্রেম হয় কহে ভাগবতে, একলা নিত্যানন্দ পাবে তাহা।
Chaitanya Bhagavat, it is written that the love of the gopis which they found in Vrindavan, that love is manifested only by Nityananda. He is manifesting. Even in the Ananta Samhita it is said, by mercy of Nityananda you get the mercy of Gauranga. By mercy of Gauranga you get the mercy of the gopis. By mercy of the gopis you get the mercy of Radharani. Ananta Samhita is a part of Atharva Veda, written by Vedvyas himself. Bhaktivinoda Thakur quoted that in Navdeep Dham Mahatmya Praman Khanda. In the original Sanskrit verses, he explained the glories. Ananta Dev, with his thousands of heads, he recited that. It's a very beautiful scripture. Ananta Dev, he was doing bhajan in Vraj for one kalpa, 8.64 billion years, but he did not attain Radha Krishna. Then the Lord Hari appeared to him, Krishna, and said, if you want to attain Radha Krishna, you do go to Navadvip. So Anantadev went to Navadvip, and in Navadvip in 10,000 years he saw Radha Krishna. See? And there is one verse which says, Koti Koti Varshe Kori Shri Krishna Bhojon Tathapi Namete Roti Napai Durjon गौरांग भोजिले दुष्ट भाव दूरे जाए स्वल्प दिने व्रज धाम राधा कृष्ण पाए. Without worshipping Nitai Gaur, it will take you koti varsha, millions and millions of years. But if you do Gaur Bhajan, then very few days, swalpa dine vraj dham, Radha Krishna Paye. Very few days you will get Vraj Dham. Not just staying in Vraj Dham with this body, you will enter into Vraj Dham with your Siddha Deha. That is what we want. Swalpadine Vraj Dham. And why in the next line it is said, Nijo Siddho Deho Paye Sakhiro Ashraye Nijo Kunja Paye Jahan युगल सेवा तारो है. Bar Gauranga Bhajan, you will get your own kunja in Radha Kund. Who wants your own kunja? Bhagavati is building a house. That is not the kunja. Our actual kunja is full with trees, creepers. But of course, when we stay here, then slowly we develop our realization of the kunja. Sometimes when I sit in my room and while chanting, I open my eyes, all this cement and tiles and all these things, they disappear, and I feel I am sitting in the kunja. This is the kunja. So we have to do vas here first. When we do Radha Kund vas, then we will understand that we are sitting in the kunja. সকল সাধন বিহীন হইয়া যে নর করে যদি নবদ্বীপ বন মাঝে ঘোর. ধামের বিচিত্র শক্তি হঠাৎ তাহারে রাধা কৃষ্ণ রাসোৎসবে রতি দিতে পারে. If you don't do any sadhan bhakti, if you can't chant the holy name, you can't do sankirtan, you can't offer bhoga, you can't do sadhu sangha, then make a house in Navadvip. Because if you make a house in Navadvip, Navadvip will pull you into the Ras Leela. Dhame Vichitra Shakti, Hatat Tahare, forcibly. Hatat means Radha Kant Rasotsave Rati Dite Pare. Dhammat. So I made first our house in Navadvip, then I came here. We have a beautiful ashram in Chandrasekhar Palli, opposite to Chaitanya Math, where Radha Kund, Sham Kund, where Gauranga danced in the house of Chandrasekhar Acharya. Very beautiful place, very peaceful. All Vaishnavas, Mon Maharaj is there and all Maharajas are surrounding us, Vaishnavas. Small place.
One more question, Maharaj.
Yeah.
How did the Pandavas, did they desire to become trees, or what was the past?
The Pandavas cannot attain Madhurya, means they cannot get the qualification to touch Radha Krishna, to dance with. They cannot attain Gopi Bhav. So the maximum the Pandavas could attain was Shantaras in Radha Kund. At least in the form of trees, they can see Radharani coming to take bath. Radharani comes to take bath at 12 o'clock. The Pandavas are watching that Leela. They are just next to Manas Pavan Ghat and Pancha Pandav Ghat. It's very close. So the 5 Pandavas are showering the flowers when Radhika comes. And they are seeing the divine bathing of Radhika with her Sakhis. Radharani is talking with the Sakhis. Nice Goshtendra about Krishna. Pandavas are hearing all this. Very, very lucky. Yes.
At the beginning of the lecture, you mentioned this verse, Martavyo Sadatam Vishnu, Martavyo Nasakti, that all the limbs of Bhakti
Yes.
are assisting these two
Yes.
things to
Principles, yeah.
and then never forget it. Also, there are many quotes from Shastra supporting this. Narottam Das Thakur,
Yes, yes.
never neglect.
Yes, yes.
Always make the life and soul
Yeah.
Pasha.
Yes.
It is, we are followers of the Madhurya Prema of
Yes.
Radharani in the Radha Rasa, sweetness,
Yes.
love of Radharani, like Amachar. This is what
Yeah.
we must try to follow.
Yes.
So, you say there also Madhura Madhura Dama Yugala Vilasa Smriti, Sara.
Yes. Sarva Shastra Sar, Sarva Shravan Sar, Sarva Smarana Sar. There is one verse Narottam Das Thakur sings, I like it very much. I sing it during the Kirtan. He says, Narottam Dase Koe Nitya Lila Sukha Moe. Narottam Dase Koe Nitya Lila Sukha Moe. Sadai Spuruk Mora Mone. Sadai Spuruk Mora Mone. Narottam Das Thakur is praying to the Nitya Leela, to Krishna. My dear Lord, I only one thing. Let the Nitya Leela always manifest in my heart, my mind. Let me think, what is Krishna doing now? 9:15. He is having his prasadam in the assembly of Nanda Bhavan. Radharani is watching secretly near the kitchen. She is looking. Krishna is eating. Radhika di gone heri noyone rakone. Tripta hoye khaye Krishna Jashoda bhavone. Radharani is looking, sidelong glance. Krishna is eating. This is all the leelas going on right now. So we have to always churn the nectar of the Nitya Leela. The more deeper we go into Nitya Leela, we will lose the desire to enjoy ourselves. We will always be thinking. Yes.
Also in Raghavarma Chandrika, we said that the main view of Raganuga Bhakti
Yes.
is Smarana. Moving a little bit,
Certainly, 100%.
Krishna Kaviraj said that
Yeah.
we describe all these leelas
Yes.
for those who are
Yes.
following the path
Yes.
of Raganuga. But in the other side, we have Yuga Dharma Pravartina Nama Sankirtana.
Yes.
That the Yuga Dharma it is the chanting of the holy name. So it may seem that there are some apparent contradiction.
No.
In one hand, but also there are third version. You know, we have America, the inhabitants of the celestial planets speak about what is more important.
Yes.
If Smaranam or hearing, they conclude that the power of the holy name, the sweetness of
Yes.
the holy name,
Yes.
is the power of the Smaranam.
Yes.
The sweetness of the Smaranam
Yes.
is the power of
Yes.
the holy name. So,
Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, my Param Gurudev, used to say that Kirtano Prabhave Smarana Sambhava Uchchakari Karo Tumi Harinam Rava. What beautiful Bengali. He said that the Smarana which happens during Kirtan is the highest of all Smaran. During Kirtan, the remembrance which you do, that is the Smaran which will make you remember Krishna throughout the day. So it's very important that the smaran should come with kirtan. If you leave kirtan, if you give up kirtan and you try to do only smaran sitting in a solitary place, then that smaran will not take you. That smaran will not be deep. So kirtan is actually the highest smaran. That's why Mahaprabhu, you see, throughout the day he used to dance and sing. Throughout the day. In Chaitanya Charitamrita you will see, throughout the day and night, even in the night, he used to sing. Ramananda Rai, Swarup Damodar used to sing. Mahaprabhu used to hear. So hearing kirtan, Kirtana Smriti Sarva Shreshta Hoy. I think in Jiva Goswami writes a commentary. He said that Kirtana Smriti is the highest Smriti. Smaran. So there is no contradiction. One has to develop that Smaran via Kirtan. And then when we are absorbed in Kirtan, then throughout the day we will remember Krishna. Actually the goal is to do Kirtan whole day and whole night. But nobody has that taste. We don't have that taste. So we do some Sankirtan, we do some Shravan, some Smaran, and we try to meditate on the Leelas. Even I personally, when I do Sankirtan with all of you devotees, I realize even higher I go than when I do Japa myself. So it's very. So that's why it is said, even if nobody is there, you can do Kirtan with clapping your hands. You can do Kirtan. Yes.
In your website, it's written that Bhaktivinoda Thakur came in your dream.
I don't want to talk about that. It's very high. I mean, little private. I just wrote it in one of the Naam cards. But I can tell you that when I took sannyas, I came across this book, Navadvip Dham Mahatmya. When I was reading it, I got that revelation, inspiration. To give my life to spreading Gaur Naam, Gaur Tattva, Nitai Gaur Tattva. And that is why I took sannyas. Thank you. Any other questions? Yes.
You were talking about love and lust, so we get lusty desires.
If you get lusty desires, it's very easy. You come before the deity of Krishna and look at Krishna's eyebrows. If you look at Krishna's eyebrows, then all the lust will go away. Just finished in one moment. Or you look at his lotus feet, meditate on the symbols of his lotus feet, 19 symbols, or your lust will go away. Think about Krishna. And if you still feel lusty, then you go to the terrace and loudly chant the name Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Nityananda, Gauranga, all the lust will go away. When you chant loudly, then all the lust goes away from your heart. Loudly, very loudly. Swami, it's not my saying. So Prabhupada told Giriraj Maharaj that you chant loudly.
You mentioned the police officers also.
Yeah.
Goswamis.
Chant their names. Oh Haridas, protect me. Oh Srinivas, oh Srivas, oh Raghunath, protect me. When you chant the name of our acharyas, that is even more powerful. There is a verse. I am not saying as per my. It in the Chaitanya Shatak. There is one verse. We said the name of the pure devotees is more powerful than Krishna's name. They are Leelas. Calling them. Because they are like very dayalu, very merciful. Krishna is busy in his Leela. But pure devotees are always, ready to come. Anytime we call them. Gurudev! Please help me. Please help me. I want to follow. But my mind is going. But we need sincerity for that. If we have sincerity, then only we can call the Acharyas. So tomorrow is Radha Kunda Ashtami or Bahula Ashtami according to the Brajvasis. Tomorrow midnight is the Snan here. And I explained yesterday night. Yesterday I'm forgetting which katha is which now. So many kathas. Yesterday night that you can take 3 snans. One snan, yes, tomorrow night at 1 or 2 o'clock when Radha Kund is empty. Next snan you can take day after tomorrow morning if you want to take. Because one snan on Bahula Ashtami equal to millions of snans on other days. Bahula Ashtami, Radha Kund Ashtami is the birthday, appearance day of Radhika. So one snan has great potency. Lord Shiva writes in the Radha Kripa Katak Stotra. It's very pleasing. So on Bahula Ashtami Tithi, as many snan you can take is not enough. You can take bath. So one snan in the night. Then the Brajvasis are saying that the Ashtami gets over at 3 p.m. on 27th evening, 3 p.m. So you can take one snan in the morning and then according to our Gaudiyas, the Ashtami is actually day after tomorrow night, 27th night. That is Bahula Ashtami. So you can take snan on all the time. Bahula Ashtami also 28th. At least 3 snans we have come to. Raghunath Das Goswami used to do 3 snans every day. In the 3 sandhyas of the day. At least we can take 3 snans on Bahula Ashtami. That will be nice. So tomorrow 4:30 Devki Paran also has invited us to do Deepdan Seva. So please join. There is 1.5 hour. We do Nam Kirtan on Radha Kund. And he lights lot of lamps on Bahula Ashtami. Lots of lamps, ghee lamps. He was my old friend from before Brahmachari time. But of course he is. So he's doing a lot of Deepdan tomorrow at 4:30 up to 6. So I don't know whether tomorrow's evening katha maybe will start at 6 or something. A lot of devotees are also coming tomorrow morning. Our whole ashram will be full. And but this time I have taken a vrat not to leave Radha Kund for this whole month of Kartik. I will not even go to Nandagaon, Barsana, and devotees want to go for yatras. They will be going tomorrow. So, thank you very much.